Before uploading these recent shorts, I had only 100 subscribers. I consistently uploaded some shorts, and all these numbers you are seeing right now came only after those shorts. Picture this. You've spent days scripting, filming, and editing a long video you're incredibly proud of. You hit publish, wait for the views to roll in, but only a few views come from your loyal subscribers, and that's it. Then, out of frustration, you make a random 30-second clip from it, slap on some trending audio, and upload it as a short. You wake up the next morning and see 10,000 views and 50 new subscribers. It feels like a cheat code, ain't it? But what if I told you this cheat code is actually a trap that is slowly strangling the potential of small channels like you? Welcome to the dark side of YouTube. Let me give you a real example first so you get the picture very clearly. Look at my gaming channel. It's a very small channel. The name is Black Hat Gaming. Before uploading these recent shorts, I had only 100 subscribers. I consistently uploaded some shorts, and all these numbers you are seeing right now came only after those shorts within a week, and my subscriber count reached to 283. Then I uploaded a long-form video, and see what happened? It got nothing, only 3 views and very low CTR. All this happened because my new subscribers are hungry for more shorts, not for the long-form content. First, we have to understand why this is happening. YouTube isn't evil. I mean, it might be evil, but it's also a business, fighting a war for attention. When TikTok arrived, it didn't just compete, it changed human behavior. People got addicted to the dopamine hit of the endless vertical scrolling. YouTube was terrified of this, so they built shorts. They aggressively retrained their entire algorithm to prioritize short, snappy, highly engaging content that keeps you on your phone. Their goal isn't to help you build a deep connection with an audience. Their goal is retention. They are pushing shorts because it's their money-making survival strategy. So, as a small creator, when you get 10,000 views and 50 subscribers out of a random short video, it seems great at first. You get visibility, you get subscribers, but you get nothing on your long videos. Those new people subscribed only for 30 seconds of dopamine. They didn't subscribe for long videos. Now, if you post more shorts, you keep getting more views and subscribers, but these subscribers aren't loyal. And continuously making good shorts, especially when everybody has access to free AI models, is very hard. When you post another long video, YouTube shows it to your new subscribers first, which you gained from your short. Now, what do these new subscribers do? They ignore it. They want another hit of quick entertainment. This tanks your click-through rate. The algorithm sees your own subscribers ignoring your long content and thinks, "Wow, this video must be terrible. I'm not going to recommend it to anyone else." This way, you successfully build a graveyard of dead subscribers who are actively hurting the discoverability of the content you actually care about making. Then comes the money part. YouTube sells the dream that shorts is a viable career path. But the reality for small creators is very dark. How much you make per 1,000 views on shorts is minimal compared to long-form videos. You need millions upon millions of shorts views to make what you could make with a few thousand views on a regular long video. Shorts income is inconsistent and unreliable. YouTube isn't killing creators on purpose. Their game is rigged against depth. If you're a small creator, the only way to win is to stop playing by their rules. Use shorts only as a funnel, a simple advertisement for your real content, but never, ever mistake short success for real channel growth. Keep making long-form content to grow loyal audience and money. This is the only way to survive on YouTube in 2026. If you like this information, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon.